Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the Parkway at Southridge, the only opportunity to own a beautiful brand new 2-car garage townhome within walking distance to upscale shopping, dining, and entertainment in the popular area of Middletown, Delaware. First, let me show you our beautiful homes. On the main level, this home offers ample amounts of living space, great for entertaining and hanging out with family. My favorite part is this beautiful kitchen with an open layout, perfect for hosting a get-together. Upstairs, your master suite awaits with a huge walk-in closet and a well-appointed bathroom. On the lower level, this finished rec room is the perfect place to binge watch your favorite series. Here at Parkway at Southridge, you'll enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle, so you'll have plenty of time to spend relaxing on your beautiful deck. But the most exciting aspect of this community is our fabulous location. You'll enjoy a walkable lifestyle with a variety of different shops and restaurants just minutes from your front door. Catch a flick at the local movie theater or enjoy a round of miniature golf. All kinds of entertainment options right around the corner. This community is great for commuters. Located just off 301, the future 301 bypass, and minutes from Route 1. Getting to Wilmington, Newark, or Philadelphia is a breeze. Are you ready to take advantage of the luxury and convenience this new home has to offer? Schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.